Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the girl in the apron. Some of my favorite memories have been made in the kitchen, whether it's rolling out homemade pasta with my grandpa, holiday get-togethers with family and friends, and even those band rehearsal meals. Food and music has always been at the heart of it all, so grab your apron, crank up the tunes, and join me in the kitchen.
I love potato soup. I don't know if it's because I'm part Irish, but I should probably have a foam finger that says #1 potato soup fan. Anyways, this recipe is so easy. You can make it last minute. It's all made in one pot. It has fresh green leeks, Yukon Gold potatoes, milk, butter, celery, onions. It's so delicious! And as always with the girl in the apron, it's quick, it's easy, and here's how you do it.
Find this recipe and so much more at www.lizzymcavoy.com. And let's get social.